How to save all my TikTok videos at once. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then, go over to Settings and Privacy on the bottom. Here, go to Account and then go to the Download Your Data. After that, go to Select Data to download. Here, you can choose the data you want to download. Select Custom. Then, select Profile and Posts. This includes personal information, your followers, accounts you follow, and your posts on TikTok. After that, tap on Done at the bottom. Then tap on Request Data to request a copy of your data from all the TikTok apps you use to back up your account or export it to other services. Once your file is ready for download, you will find it in the Download Data section as shown. Following these steps, you can easily save all your TikTok videos at once.